Ow! I just stepped on the tomato. Cool, love that for me too.
Very soon we're gonna stop. Not sliding. Stop.
Hey guys, it's my family here. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family. I read every single one of my comments, so comment something down below. But I'm gonna unpack all the boxes so that I stop having boxes just in the middle of the living room and just like tripping on things. But I wanna decorate the living room kind of. So that's what we're gonna do. And then also just like a bunch of random things, obviously. And it's super cute. So we just decorated this bar cart. Like not decorated, we built it, my brother, but he's not here anymore. I don't really know what I want to do with it yet. That's what I'm gonna do for now, because I literally don't know what else to do. Wow, beautiful decoration, am I right? Right? That's not cute at all. It's good enough for now. You know, we're gonna play juice pong. Just kidding, the legal drinking age here in Alberta is 18 and I'm 17 and my roommate who's living with me, Anila, my best friend, she's 18 and then like all of our friends here are like 18, 19, 20. It makes sense to have a bar cart, you know? There's just like a jungle in that corner because I don't know where I want to put those plants and I'm supposed to get a coffee table, but I haven't ordered it yet because I'm being lazy. I do have, Ling Ling's, oh my god, all this toy smell. I have Ling Ling's bed right here. I don't know where I want to put it though. I think that looks fine for now. Don't you guys agree? I don't know. It like does not look the best. I think for right here, eventually, what I want to do is put this ladder here. I think it would look so good. And then the hanging plants, I think that would look amazing. Then I'm gonna put these plants in them. I have this. I want to put this here. Here. I have this book. I feel like that's cute. It looks all right, right? I'm not an interior designer. Put that globe there. Does that look okay? No, it does not look good. Ugh. I think the smaller plant. It adds more like depth to it because there's like a tall piece and then a smaller piece. So I'm gonna show you guys my ugly TV. This is not what it's gonna look like. I need to get a 65-inch TV. I just moved when I just bought into my room. Oh my god, this camera work is so bad. Absolutely terrible. These strip lights are gonna be hidden when I get the TV. Don't worry. To hide the fact that it's really fucking ugly. Why did I think that was a good idea? I'm gonna add this plant in the back just to hide the fact that it's so ugly. Cool, love that for me too. Can't say that this looks good. I'm fucking trying, guys, I'm trying. I need to order a new TV, okay? Don't yell at me. Don't tell me it looks ugly, I know it looks ugly, okay? It's like when you guys comment and tell me my nose looks fat, I get it. It's swollen. And everyone's like, "My, why do you talk about your nose job so much?" Because I get comments all the time if I don't mention it. That looks like shit. Okay, I added another one, still looks like shit, but honestly, I'm just gonna go get like a vine and put it there anyways. Like even if I get a 65-inch TV, which I will, I'm gonna look so cute. Okay, so I've been really bored and since I can't go travel to see all my long distance boyfriends, just kidding, I don't have long distance boyfriends. I don't even have a boyfriend. The closest thing that I have to talking to my friends from other countries, not boyfriends, guys, because I don't have one. Thank you so much to Epic Games for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know what House Party is a group video chat app that allows you to talk to upwards of 8 people. And you can play fun games like Ellen DeGeneres' Heads Up, Quick Draw, where you like draw something and your friends try to guess, or trivia. And I want to talk to you guys on there because I'm running out of friends to talk to. So I actually used it today to talk to one of my friends that I met in Bali, and he lives in Norway. So we played Heads Up, and I did a really bad job at it because I don't understand how to act anything out. It was super fun, and I want to play this game with you guys because, like I said, I am running out of friends to talk to. So right as this video goes up, I'll be on it just talking to a couple of you guys. So if you guys want to do that, or if you guys just want to download the app in general and talk to your friends, click the link down in my description box and then download the app and add me at maiphammy, and I'll be trying to talk to a couple of you guys. House Party is actually free to download and it's available on iOS, Chrome, Android, and Mac OS. So again, thank you so much to Epic Games for sponsoring this video.
The next morning.
Okay, so currently it is 9:31 a.m. and it's the first morning together. Woo! So we're making breakfast right now with the little grill that I bought yesterday. Make some bacon and eggs and a smoothie. She's putting the dishwasher stuff away. I don't know what we're gonna do today. I need to edit and she needs to unpack. I think we need to go to Walmart and get like our necessities. A shower curtain. We don't have a shower curtain for shower, and like I made a whole list. She wants to go buy like bananas and like avocados because I don't eat bananas or avocados or like Greek yogurt and oatmeal. Don't eat that either.
Everything I listed off yesterday, she was like, "Oh, I didn't get that."
Or like coconut. Ooh, I hate coconut. She likes a lot of things that I hate, like sparkling water. Comment down below if you guys like sparkling water because I think it tastes like gross, like TV, like static, and it's so bitter.
So good.
It is not. Literally, she's the only person that likes it. But that is what we're gonna do today. Ow! The elastic just slapped my lip. Oh, my eyes are watering. Anyways, just made breakfast.
Breakfast!
Ooh, we got some bacon, sausage, eggs, blueberries, strawberries, and a banana. No, a blueberry banana muffin. A blueberry muffin. And then she has a croissant and the same thing, but no sausage because she don't like sausage. Iced coffee. I just spit out my coffee because I was like, what the with it? I put salt in it instead of sugar. Update on the lip. Here's a nice. I need to make myself another cup of coffee because that tasted so bad. I don't know. I fucked that up. So, you know, we got my coffee in this French press. Wow. And this time we're gonna grab the sugar.
You're not gonna be able to smell it.
Sugar. Give it a good mix, and then some fresh ice. Fun, right? Ling Ling blends in with the rug. I gave him a little blueberry and he's like having the time of his life. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, I'm going to get ready and we're gonna go to Walmart real fast so that we don't have to do anything else today. And then we'll stay at home. I've already washed my face and everything like that. I'm gonna wear an ugly ass bun, some leggings, and a hoodie. I don't really give a fuck. It's Walmart. I like don't give a fuck anyways. I actually decided to wear a bra today, which is like the first time in forever. What if I had bangs? This is what I would look like. No thanks. 5-year-old me already suffered enough. Okay, we're good to go. This garage is so fucking tight. I'm gonna fucking run into that one day. The garage is so small. So we're gonna go to Walmart. Woo!
11 minutes later.
There's literally just a line outside. It smells kind of rank in here, not gonna lie. Oh my god, this is some extra walking that I was not prepared for. That's what I just said. I just said it smells of rank.
This is too much. I don't give a shit. Dude, I'm just gonna ransack the store and get my food and get the fuck out of here. I want police in the top. In the police, in the police, they want the corona. You tell the cops that you got a coronavirus away, they will never pull you out.
Guess she's gonna rob the store.
And we thank you so much for coming in today. I know it's kind of a pain indeed.
Yeah, this is more than a pain.
It's more than a pain?
And very soon we're gonna start ransacking the store.
Cool, I mean like that works too. That guy was so annoying. We were probably sitting there for like 3 minutes. He's right there. We do be needing some bounty. Clean up all my dog's piss. Avocados. I think. We gotta get her some bananas because she loves bananas, but I hate bananas. Cherry tomatoes for salad. Cool.
It's okay.
Okay, sorry.
That's fine.
I just stepped on the tomato. I get some orange juice and apple juice for the smoothies. Apple pear. Bleach. Magic eraser for my shoes. We got slippers for the house. Why are garbage cans so expensive? We want to get some board games and stuff like that. Just put on the bar cart. Pack of cards. Where the f is Uno? Uno sold out? Oh my god, Uno is sold out. Are you kidding me? Are you? Give this card to who's ever most likely to move to LA to become an influencer. I wonder who would get that. I'm gonna get this for the bar cart Jenga thing and then just write on it. Cool. We need shower curtain, but we also need pong balls. I like how I'm preparing for this even though like not happening anytime soon. Why the hell is a coffee grinder $60? Oh my god. Oh my god, $90. No. That is dumb. This is what we got going on. We spent $480. And yesterday I spent 800 something. Nice. Brought all the groceries in. My daily workout is gonna be just walking up those fucking stairs. It's a lot of work. So we're gonna give my dog a bath, Ling Ling, because he's kind of dirty. I haven't been able to take him to the groomer, so that's what we're gonna do. Should be interesting. So I'm gonna go get the shampoo and stuff, but it's gonna be so cute. He doesn't know what's about to happen. Okay, ready? Go.
Maybe we should probably take the collar off. Stay.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Package time. I guess I got some packages. What did I order? A lot of red clothes. So I got this red dress. I don't know where the f I'm gonna wear this. Looks like a sausage. This top.
It looks like the Hot Wheels logo.
Right? It'll be a cute Instagram picture. Oh, this is so cute. These are like in style. Cute, you know, another red piece. As you guys can tell, I really like red. Oh, these are like little pajamas because I want to take a cute like pajama picture. And like I also don't wear pajamas. I usually go to bed naked as f. But you know, I thought like might as well like be a girl. This is an extra small. Then I got another package. I love Meshki. All of you guys are always asking me where like my sets of like sweats and stuff are from. This place, so nice. I got this bodysuit that like cuts down the middle, which I think would be so cute with a pair of sweats. I got these, adorable, you know, if I wore the thing with it. Oh, I got the same like long sleeve, but like in a tank top. This is so big for an extra small. Another pair of nude sweats. I already have 3 pairs. The first one that I bought from Meshki, I stained it. So I wanted to get another one because I wanted it to match my top perfectly. I got these, but these are like drawstring ones. So cute, like, you know? So that's a haul. I got these sunglasses, but like I can't even wear sunglasses. An Instagram picture real quick, just like. Like I look like I'm like out of the Matrix, like. So that's it for this moving vlog. Oh, ew. I'm not putting that in. Maybe I should put that in.
Just put it at the end.
Anyways, that's it for this moving vlog. Thank you so much to Epic Games for sponsoring this video. On Sunday, I'm going to post a closet cleanup video. I post 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, Friday. So you guys better subscribe, turn on your post notifications, follow my Instagram because I've been posting outfit pics every single day. Every single day. And until next time, peace.
East and the west, racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla, too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt, girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.